yeah, hell yeah. So,
I'm happy with it.
yeah. Glad, bro. Hey, bro. That's love, bro. Hey, you enjoy your. Hey, you enjoy, bro. You enjoy. All right. That's good. They got they bikes, man. They gonna be happy when they be riding, for sure. Hey, y'all want to know what I gotta do now?
What?
I got another pickup to do. I got pick up a mini bike to work on.
Yo, what kind? What kind?
It's like a Coleman.
Mini bike?